To add a local group, go and open PowerShell as an administrator. Alright, and let's check the number of current local group currently on this computer. So type get-local-group and press enter. So as we can see, we have this local group currently running on our server. Now to add a new person, to add a new local group, we type new dash local group space, and then we specify the name. Let's say developers, group of developers, and then press enter. Now we can see basically the name is developers. You can also specify description if you want. We'll do that in the future. Now to verify if we added our local group correctly, let's check and verify again. Get dash local group, enter. You can now see that developer is now part of the current local groups on this computer. So what if we want to go one step ahead and add a member to this developers group? It will be one of the developers that write different types of codes, write different types of applications, and support the application group within our TechAkin. We will type in the code add dash local group member space group space. We'll specify the group name developers space the member name. So which member do you want to add to this developer group? Let's go and add John Wayne, if you remember that guy. So John Wayne, and then press enter, and that's it. A new member, which his name is John Wayne, has now been added to this group, which is developers. To verify the new member, so you type get local group member space which group is developers, and then press enter. There you go. So it now shows that this person, which is John Wayne, is part of this domain, is a user, and is part of the developers group. Say for example, the following month John Wayne got a new promotion, maybe he got a new appointment to work in different department. So John Wayne is, say for example, John Wayne is not part of this developer group anymore. We will have to remove him so that they can add him to the new member. So we can also remove John Wayne. The code to do that is remove local group member, in which group is developer. right? And then which member? Of course, John Wayne, because he's leaving that department, we have to remove him. John Wayne, and then press enter. Alright, John Wayne is not part of that group anymore. To verify, we will type again get local group member space which group is developers. Let's press enter. See, it's the result is now blank. All right, and that's why we cannot see John Wayne anymore. Also, what say for example the US East office is closing down and we don't need developer group in that group anymore, or maybe the developers group, they've simply completed their project and they are moving to US North tomorrow. So we can also remove the local group or the main group from the server. So to check the current groups, we will type in get local group. We know this by now, so it will list all of the groups within this domain, and as you can see, developers is still part of the all the groups. And then we can say remove local group. What's the name of the group? Developers. And press enter, and that's it. Developer group, they are now gone because they finished their project already. To verify, let's go and check whether developer is still part of the local group. So get local group and press enter. So there you go. Developers is no more part of the groups that work within US North. So now we have DHCP administrators, DHCP users, DNS admins, and the built-in groups. So but as so far we can see developers, they are gone to another branch. All right, I hope this has been informative for you. If you know another way on how to add local group members, you can share with me in the comment below so that we can all learn together. And I will see you next time.